On this video, I'm going to share with you 3 fantastic digital products that are making a very healthy income, a monthly income, and they are actually quite easy to do, but they're in a specific niche that not a lot of people kind of get into. And I've actually done full tutorials on how to create these also for you. So let's check out the first idea, you mad Etsy people. The first one I'm going to call is the custom dog portraits. Okay, now this is an example of it. It's a bestseller. Boom, you can see that it's got 77 monthly sales. It's an 8-month-old listing, and these 4 digital designs, portraits of the dog in different styles. So dog with the toilet tissue in the mouth, the dog with the spa, a dog brushing their teeth, and a dog holding a newspaper. Now, just so you know, this is in the custom or personalized niche. And how this works is a customer would send an image of their pet's photo, in this case the dog, and then the seller would recreate these designs using AI, these beautiful designs, which are digital downloads. Now, they are absolutely super easy to do, not that hard, as long as you learn how to use those AI tools. And actually, I teach people how to do personalized and custom items like this. Now, let's just look at the numbers very quickly. If I go to analysis, again, like I said, you need some kind of research tool, guys, so that you can analyze and see actually what works on Etsy, because there's no point in going into it unless you do. I use EverBee, my go-to research tool. Check out the link below to try it out. Now, this listing, it's an 8-month-old listing, currently makes around $2,309, which is a nice, healthy income. And we can see how they look with these really cool mock-ups. Everything on the side is called a mock-up, and it's a way of representing the design to sell it, to market it. And you can see they're showcasing these beautiful designs to see what they look like. Okay, absolutely fantastic, super easy to do as long as you know how to use AI. Anyway, let's move on to the second fantastic idea. Now, I'm going to give you some really fantastic tips, so stay right to the end, guys. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI-made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy-ready AI designs that you can sell, and in less than 20 minutes I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, the second digital product idea is called a custom house portrait. And like I said, I've done tutorials on all of these on my channel. Do check them out. And literally what it is a custom design of a house. And obviously the customer would sell a picture of their home. Maybe they bought a new home. Maybe they want it as a memory gift for their mother, father. Yeah. And the seller would recreate this home or house image into a beautiful painting, watercolor painting, right? And in this case, like I said, in a watercolor style. Now, this is just a digital download, guys. You can see that the seller gets this ready in 24 hours. The customer can also add a personalization, as in like the bottom, you can see home sweet home and the address of the home. And that is it, guys. That is simple as that. Obviously, if you know how to use AI tools, you'll be able to create something like this. Now, this listing makes approximately $5,000, $5,341 per month. It's a listing age of 49 months. And actually, over the years, it's been consistently making a good amount of money. The beautiful thing about things like this is everybody has a different taste. So if you want to stand out amongst these kind of digital products, you have to have a unique offering. So for example, this is a watercolor depiction of the house. You might offer maybe a kind of acrylic based paint design. You might offer a line work house design. Obviously, you need to go and use something like EverBee to check out if the competition is good or it's a low competition keyword. But this is how you see something that already works, but you think about how else can I actually create something similar but slightly different. And this is what I want people to really understand is it's not about recreating what you see and for me to show you these great examples. It's about how can I use this idea to actually recreate another listing that will attract customers and be in a low competition. And in this case, it will be creating the house design in a different way. Like I said, line work style. It could be done in a different kind of oil painting style, right? Okay, the third custom digital product is another bestseller. It's a 10-month-old listings making 77 sales per month approximately right now. And this is an interesting one. I've actually done a few videos on it. I actually was there when it first came out, as in trending. And how it is a digital design of an action figure. Now, you might look at it and think, wow, that looks like they actually get a physical product of a toy, but you don't. You only get the digital download. And, you know, with the way social media is these days and the way we interact online, people love these kind of things to send to people as gifts to show their friends. And in fact, I'm going to show you a really fantastic niche that a seller has got into very recently in this that I think is a great, great idea. So remember, just stay right to the end. So how this works is a customer would send a photo of themselves to the seller and also maybe add some information like, you know, what's their name is. And you can see the names at the top of all of these, what their profession is. So you can see Stephen, the handyman, and then the picture would be, you'll see the action figure, the face would look like the picture, and then you'd also see the tools, the things that are in the box, the action figure box also. So that would be the personalization items. You might also add what color backing you want in terms of the design. And then the seller would recreate this using AI tools. And again, I have a full tutorial on this on my channel. Actually, probably I think two. So this listing makes approximately $1,266 per month. Really good, growing at a rate of 220%. So it shows that it's still in demand, still trending. And I'm just going to show you an idea within this niche on how to actually find sub niches that are trending right now. And I'm going to show you a seller that's found it right now. So have a look at this. Okay, I'm just going to show you how I found this gem. Right. So I've typed in toy action figure digital, and what I have is I have EverBee, which is my sort of research tool, which is hooked up to. And this is why I say you need a research tool to see what's working. And then I've come down to something, one of these toy action figure listings, which is absolutely doing fantastically well. And it's a popular now, right? I'm going to click on it to show you right now. And it's making good sales already. And this is the listing. Now, what they do is they just offer one type of toy action figure, and it's the graduation action figure, right? And funny enough, the timing is actually perfect because at the time of doing this video, you know, graduation is coming up. And obviously this seller started this idea, you know, a little bit before the time, which is good, but their focus is on a sub niche, which is the action figure class of 2026. You can see it's an actually great idea. And if I go to analyze the listing, you see it's a 2-month-old listing already making $602. Now, this probably won't make consistent all year round sales, but it's a kind of one that will, as the year goes round again, obviously the seller can change it to 2027 and it will start selling again next time the graduation is here. And what's even more interesting, and this is why I say you need a good research tool like EverBee, when you go down, you will see that there are some fantastic keywords, low competition keywords that will make you stand out. Important thing about this is you need to find those nuggets, those keywords that actually help you make sure that you're seen on the Etsy algorithm and that you're pushed up for those pages, because the more low competition your idea is, the more likely you're going to get pushed up on the first pages and then you're going to make the sales. So it's very important to go and check out the keywords before you create the design, guys. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI-made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.